Hey, I'm Brian, and I think you noticed that I was gone throughout the last month. That's because I spent that time in the United States. I saw a lot of the country, and I think that I'll integrate some footage from all the stuff that I saw somewhere in this video. But among all the places that I visited was also Silicon Valley, which I think is most interesting to you watching this channel. And I was at the Apple campus, I'll probably show some pictures of that somewhere, and the Google campus as well, which is also where I picked up this YouTube t-shirt. Now, some other things that I picked up are these headphones, the Sony XB950 N1s, and because I was traveling so much throughout the last month, I could really test out the noise cancelling on these, and that is actually going to be a video that you're going to see the day after this video is going to go live, because I don't want to keep you waiting any longer for new videos. So because I already tested these on my trip, that's something you're going to see. Also, going on a trip for 1 month is not really something I can recommend when you're doing YouTube, because there's a lot of stuff that piles up at home that you now have to go through. Among the things that I have here is, for example, the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, so you can also look out for a video on this. And I also have a certain phone from Huawei coming, but I don't want to spoil all the things that I have here. Just know that throughout the next month, there's definitely not going to be a lack of videos. I also have an honorable mention for some items that a company called Rinke sent me. These are some accessories for the OnePlus 6, though unfortunately I couldn't integrate them into my review because they got to me after. But these are actually pretty high quality accessories, and I also like that their cases come with this band, so you can, if you have a waterproof phone for example, tie that around your wrist and not lose your phone. Because it's one thing if your phone is waterproof, but if you lose it in the water, then that won't help you either. They also sent me these cables, which are also pretty high quality and pretty nice. So maybe you can check out the link to their products in the video description so that at least get some sort of recognition. I also shot an email to my marketing contact at Samsung to ask for a Galaxy Note 9 review unit. Again, I'll see how that goes, but in any case, you'll definitely get a video from that phone from IFA later this year. And that brings me to my next topic, which is that you may recall that I made a video about a few months ago saying that I needed about 5,000 subscribers by summer in order to get press access to IFA. Well, a quick look at the numbers on my channel will probably tell you that that definitely happened. And first of all, I want to thank you so much, not only for 5,000, but for 6,000 subscribers. This is really awesome. And this is also important for one particular reason, because in 2 weeks there's IFA going on in Berlin, you know, that big tech convention. And because I now have over 6,000 subscribers, I got press access to the convention. So I now have one of those cool media tags that I can take to the show to give me access on the press days and to some exclusive stuff. So that is really awesome. Thank you for 6,000 subscribers so I can get some really great content from IFA to you later this month. But that's really quick, basically already everything that I wanted to talk about. Just some updates where I've been and what I've planned for the future. Now, of course, look out for the video on the headphones tomorrow. And with that, you know which buttons to press. Also press that follow button on Twitter. Seriously, because then you would have known what I've been up to throughout the last month, because I can't post updates on YouTube yet, so follow me on Twitter for those kinds of things. Also, very important while IFA is going on. But for now, I'm Brian, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.